All right, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to whatever today is, day 2 of Advent of Code. We're a few minutes late here, but no worries at all. Let us get to it. Alright, yeah. Just making sure you guys can see everything. Alright, let's see. The elves begin to set up camo on the beach to decide whose tent gets to be closest to the snack storage. A giant rock, paper, scissors tournament is under progress. Rock, paper, scissors is a game of 2 players. Yeah, they make the shapes. Cool. We all know how to play rock, paper, scissors. Otherwise, it ends in a draw. Appreciative of your help yesterday, one elf gives you an encrypted strategy guide. They say will be sure to help you win. The first column is what your opponent is going to play, A, B, or C. The second column, suddenly, an elf is called away to help with someone's tent. Second column, you reason must be what you should play in response. X for rock, Y for paper, Z for scissors. Winning every time would be suspicious, so the responses must have been carefully chosen. The winner of the whole tournament is the player with the highest score. Your total is the sum of your scores for... the winner of the tournament is the player with the highest score. Your total score is the sum of your scores for each round. The score for a single round is the score for the shape you selected. Okay, plus the score for the outcome. So 0 and 3 if draw, and 6 if you won. Since you can't be sure if the elf is trying to get to help you or trick you, you should calculate the score you would get if you were to follow the strategy guide. For example, suppose you were given this. Okay. Now let's see. Suppose you were given the strategy guide. You would your opponent would choose rock and you would choose paper. This ends in a win for you with a score of 8. Okay, in the second round, your opponent, alright, third. In this example, if you follow the strategy guide, you would get a score of 15. What would be the total score if everything goes exactly according to your strategy guide? Cool. Let's do it. Let's switch over here, and I didn't actually have time to do this, so we'll just hold a sec. Yeah, let's return these and put the length. Okay. All right. So this is fine. Alright, let's do it. So I hit go. Oh god, I'm running day 1. What am I doing? Like a scrub. I'm first trying to actually pull down this. Hit play. Okay. What the heck? Failed to parse input. Oh, this is not good, guys. What did I do wrong? That might have been from... Okay, here we go. Alright. So, BA... whatever. Okay. So, the first thing that we're going to do here is actually just print line input. This is good. Okay. And so what we want to do is input.split. So we're going to, I changed from yesterday, because yesterday I was getting it as all the lines. So split on new line, that'll give us all the lines. And then what we want to do is we want to map each line to a score. So let's get, so what we can do is do it.split on space. And let's just say for each I'll kind of explain this later. It's a little bit hard to think and do it, but basically this gives me a list with each line, and then this gives me, I should actually probably go look to make sure I'm doing this right. Where are all these frickin' commas coming from? What did I do? What have I done? Oh geez, somehow I'm ending up with .text. I'll fix that as well. Okay. So, print. Oh, because I have an empty element here, so I actually need to dot trim probably. I don't know. I don't actually care. I don't need to fix that. So this, what we actually want to do here is, I'm just going to make sure again that I have the right thing. It 0. How do I actually still don't really code that much in Kotlin. So let's just do this. I think there are 3 elements. Oh, there actually only are 2. What the heck? That's so weird. Nope, there's definitely 3. What is going on, guys? Okay. I'm so confused. Lines. This is bad. Print. Print lines. Yeah, I don't. What did I do wrong? Alright, let's just go back to the basics here. I'm going to print. I think I should have too much stuff going on. It's so weird that there's a comma there. Can I dot remove prefix? I think I screwed myself on something here. You gotta test your stuff. Right. Okay. Okay. That's what I expected to get. Yep, I have screwed up something here, so this is good, or not good, but let's see. So now we can do lines.map, and what did we do? So A is rock, so we can just convert A, B, C to a number. And then I think we can figure out how to do this. Okay, so map. Oh, geez. T. I'm going to like this, and then I'm going to say T of 0 dot. Dot to int minus a dot to digit care car. Does this work? I don't know. Now I guess I should just make a. Why does it just make a map? I'm sure there's a more clever way to do this, but val map. Or m equals, I think I do maps like this, Oh god. Hold on a sec, sorry, this is embarrassing. Gotta go look up Kotlin maps and the Kotlin map literal. This is, you guys are doing some real programming here. Oh, I see. Wait, really? What the hell? Oh, map of this to that. Okay. Fine. Map of, and then we're gonna do A to 0, B to 1, C to 2. Alright, and then we're gonna do, we'll do our other map, which is X, Y, and Z. Okay. And then what this lets us do is we can do val them equals T0. And then this is the first letter in our little tuple down there. Oop, displaying the wrong thing. And then, let's see, val s equals T1. And so, shoot, what's the scoring here? The first, so we're supposed to add, where is it? Outcome of round. So the score of a single round is the score of the shape you selected. Oh, I should have done 1, 2, 3. I can just do +1, that's fine. And let's just double check. Second column is the one that we have to play. Okay, cool. So us, them, and then we need to know the outcome. So outcome is rock, paper, scissors, so that's cool. Okay. And so then here we just do us +1 plus outcome, and then what we'll say is val outcome equals, this is not right, but it's fine for now. Let's see, what is this? Y. Yeah, map. Oh, because I'm not actually getting this from the mapping. Duh. Oh my gosh. What? Type mismatch. Found list to int. Car int. What type is this? Oh my gosh, guys. Well, don't worry about this. Ugh. Oh my gosh, what a disaster. What doesn't know what it is? It only has one element in it though. Stop complaining. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is all because I put this here. Okay. What type is this? It's a character. Okay. Okay. And this. And then this should be an int. Int question mark. Oh, I see. Well, this is the growing pains of remembering Kotlin. So the issue that's happening here is like just type stuff. I thought that it would be a character, and they are characters, but not not characters enough, I guess. Like it's actually a string with one item. So, okay. And then the outcome is, let's see, if them equals us, then 0. I forgot. Kotlin needs me to do this, then 0, else. Oh, maybe it's just 0. Like that. Else. Okay. If them, so rock, if I throw rock and they throw paper, so if them is greater than us, then we lost. Oh, actually, sorry, this is 3. And then if them is greater than, okay. If they're better, greater than us, then 3, else. It really does not like this. Okay. So we'll just do var. We'll assume that we win. If them equals us, outcome equals 3, else if them is greater than us, then we lose, outcome equals 0, else if us equals 2, and them, I don't think, and them equals 0, outcome equals 0. Okay, so this is the corner case. This should work. So this is assume we win unless we're tied, then we score at a tie, or if they're ahead of us, we lost, or if we are the highest one and they're the lowest one, that's kind of like the wraparound. So now, what the heck? Result. Oop. Doesn't matter if you spell things correctly here. That's not that important. This is a lambda. What's the issue? Do I have to return this? No. Return that. Are you sure? Oh, I think it doesn't. Damn it, dude. This is another like language thing. It doesn't like it when I have the brackets because it thinks that I'm trying to return a method. Okay. Well, I suck, but this should work. It doesn't work. Doesn't like this one. String. What's the... Oh, is there like an empty line at the end that it's... I'm assuming it's just picking up on something. There is an empty line. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna filter it. As long as the line's not empty. There we go. What? What? Okay. I don't get it. I already checked to see that it's not empty. Okay. I am like legit at a loss right now. Okay, I'm so stupid. I'm just gonna frickin' get rid of that. What? Okay. This is the dumbest thing to get stuck on. Oh my god. Let's see. What is my issue? I have a... So remove this. Maybe I need to filter here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. Oh, and I've been showing you the wrong thing the whole time. Oh my gosh, this is the frickin' worst. Oh my god. This is a disaster. Okay. Cool. Let's go actually check the sample ones this time. I like cannot believe how bad this is going. So if you're given this, well, thanks for bearing with me. Oh god. Oh, because I'm... Alright, so we're gonna do part 1. Okay. Isn't that the answer? Yeah. In this example, if you're given the following strategy guide, the total would be 15. Okay. Maybe I'm just getting lucky, and let's just round result. Like maybe... Oop. Yeah, maybe I'm just... I don't know. Okay, 816. That seems fine, right? 816. Alright, so we're gonna go here, and maybe something got screwed up in this. Okay, that seems fine. This is the same number that I guessed before though, right? 13, 5. I must have screwed up one of the test cases, right? Yeah. It's like, you guess this again. Okay. Let's examine part 1 more closely. This does not... Oh, this is not fun. Okay. Your total score is the sum of each score. As a score for a single round. Score is the shape you selected, and the outcome for the round 0, 3, and 6. So let's look at this. It says in the first round, your opponent choose rock, and you choose paper. This is a win for you because you have 8. In the second round, your opponent chose paper, and you chose rock. Oh, I'm so stupid though. This check does not work. This is wrong. Oh my god. Okay. What should this actually be? So what I actually want here... Oh my gosh. That's... Okay. So this is fine. This first check is fine. This one should be like if them minus us. So if them plus 1 mod 3 equals us, then that means that this is actually us winning, right? Because them at 1 plus 1, yeah, okay. So let's just do this. Assume we lose, right? So then this should give us 15 still. Happy with that. Oh my gosh. What a disaster. What a disaster. So, and I was showing you guys the wrong thing. So this was the problem that I had. My calculate who wins is wrong. No, what? This is the same thing I had before. This is the same thing I had before, right? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is a disaster. Okay. I just give up, dude. I mean, I don't give up, but this is not very fun. So, am I wrong in saying that this is what I got before? I'm pretty sure this is what I put in. So I'm going to try it like the 11th time. I'm still getting the same answer. How is this possible? This must still be wrong. I at this point, I'm just not feeling super great. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, let's check a few things first. Let's just like this feels so stupid, but results, and then I'm going to return result sum, and here I just want to print print line result dot size. Size. Okay, here it's 3, and when I do this, it should be 2500. It is 2500. Okay, so I am including all of the results, so that's good, except I still haven't found my problem. So let's go back and let's read the problem one more time. Let's read a problem. Okay. I'm legit just gonna like copy this here because in past years they would actually tell you, they'd be like, your number is too high. Like, this isn't right. Make sure you're using fill input, general tips, can ask for hints, whatever. Alright. I didn't guess, I'm just straight up getting it wrong. Okay, so AY, so in this we win. So what happens if we do AZ? Let's just, like, we get to add some test cases here, because that's what's going wrong. So, alright, so we put in, what am I doing? Put in AZ. Yeah, let's test some code. Oop, we don't need this anymore. Alright. Oop. Okay. Oh, just kidding. We did need that part. We don't need this. Okay. So 316, and so is 3 correct? It's, so we get 0 because we lose? They threw rock and we threw scissors. That sounds like a loss to me. Haven't played rock, paper, scissors in a long time, but let's double check some stuff here. Yeah, I don't know what I missed. It says rock, paper, and scissors. Ours is in the same order, right? Rock, paper, and scissors. So your opponent will choose paper. And you should choose rock, so you get 1. I am so bad at this. Yeah. I cannot believe this, but I like legit feel like giving up. Okay. Like, my input works for the test input. So it works this way. What if this is C and this is X? Then I get 1. Oh, god damn it, I did this again, right? This is wrong again. think I did the same thing, right? Because if they're scissors, oh my gosh, guys, parentheses, oh my frickin' gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do a little post-mortem on this one afterward and figure out what the hell just happened. This is a disaster, but okay. The issue that I had was this. I didn't have parentheses around this, so when I was modding it, it was just doing one mod 3, which is always 1. So now that I have an answer, let's go back. Oh my gosh. That was... No, dude, the computer should know what I want. Parentheses just cost me and you 30 minutes? Like, that's terrible. Alright, let's just do this. The elf finishes helping with the tent. Yeah, I completely lost the plot in this whole thing. That went so terribly, I lost the plot. We were playing rock, paper, scissors to try to get food. Okay, the elf finishes helping with the tent and sneaks back over to you. Anyway, the second column says how the round needs to end. X means you need to lose. Y means you need to end. Y means you need to end the round in a draw. And Z means you need to win. Good luck. What? Oh, okay, the total score is still calculated in the same way, but now you need to figure out what shape to choose so the round ends as indicated. For example, like this. Okay. Alright. So I just copy all this and we'll plop it here. So all this junk still works out fine. This is... oh, I didn't copy this, but I don't actually need that. Alright, so we just need to fix this thing. So now this is them, and this is result. And so let's see. So we get the number of points. We have to figure out what we're gonna throw. Okay, so this is, okay, so if result, so we're not doing anything fancy here, so if result is 0, else if result equals 1, and then we can do an else here. And we're gonna have to figure out what thing we threw, and then the outcome is actually oh, sorry, I'm so freaking bad at switching this. I'll have to figure this out a better way next time. Okay, so let's see. It says X means I have to lose, Y means I have to draw. Fine. So we'll just put that here. I'll have to probably just split screen this next time. Lose, draw, and then this is win. Okay. So if we're going to lose, then let's see. If they throw rock, then we have to throw scissors. So what we'll just do here is we'll say us equals them minus 1 if us equals -1, us equals 2. So that just loops us back around. That should be fine. Draw. This is easy. Us equals them. And then this is us equals them plus 1 if, and then the opposite. So if this is 3, then s equals 0. So that just loops us around. And again, the outcome is Well, it's result times 3, right? Because a win or a loss is 0, a draw is 3, and a win is 2. So this should work. Let's just like YOLO this or whatever. It's probably fine. Okay. And we switch back here. Oh my gosh, 2 stars. I am not incompetent completely. Oh my. Alright, well, that was quite a day 2. Let's see how that went. Oh no. Yeah, not great. Not great. But day 2 is done. So, cool, yeah. So let's see what we got hung up on. We got hung up on this. Yay! We got hung up on calculating a winner. And we got hung up on parsing stuff. I'm very bad at parsing input. So I will go off and figure out how I broke this from yesterday. And let's not run into these stupid things tomorrow. But yeah, cool. Well, thanks for joining. And catch you next time on Advent Code Day 3. So, see ya.